Have you seen videos like this before?
How could you do this to me? After everything we've been through, you just throw it all away! I can't believe you!
I can't take this anymore! Get out of my sight! Are you crazy? You just smashed it!
These fruit human animated videos are blowing up on TikTok and Instagram Shorts. One channel hit 200,000 followers in just a few days, with fewer than 20 videos. Another crossed 3 million followers posting only 10 videos. The numbers are insane. Making these videos is actually pretty straightforward, but getting the images to look this clean and this consistent, that's a whole different story. These were generated using JXP, and trust me, the quality speaks for itself. I've already built the exact prompt you need. Today, I'm walking you through everything: image generation, animation, editing, step by step. Let's get into it. But before that, take a second to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos like this. For this particular video, we're going to be using Google Gemini. You can use the free version or the pro version, whichever one you want. Once you open Google Gemini, head over to Google Docs. If you need the prompt, just comment DPP prompt and I'll send it to you right away. When you're in Google Docs, copy the prompt I created specifically for this video. Make sure you copy everything carefully so you don't miss any important details. Then go back to Google Gemini, paste it in, and hit send. After that, Google Gemini will process the prompt and give you a response with up to 10 different video ideas. All you need to do is pick the one you want to work with. For me, I'm going with this specific idea, so I'll copy it, paste it into the chat, and hit send. Now Gemini will go ahead and generate a full detailed script, from image generation to animation, and even the complete voiceover for the entire video. Once your prompt is fully generated and you're happy with the results, scroll back up and copy the first image generation prompt. Now for generating the images, go ahead and open the link I've dropped in the description. That's JXP. Once you land on the main page, the first thing you'll notice is that this isn't just an image tool. From this one website, you can generate images, generate full videos, and even create talking avatars. So honestly, it covers pretty much everything you need for this kind of content, all in one place. Now for this video, we're going to be using GPT Image 2. Go ahead and click on it from the main page. This model is really impressive when it comes to following detailed prompts. The characters come out sharp, the style stays consistent, and for these fruit human animations especially, it just delivers exactly what you're looking for. Once you're inside, paste your first image generation prompt into the input box. Set your aspect ratio. I'm going portrait since we're making shorts. Then bump up the resolution to 4K and set the quality to high. Once that's done, hit generate. Give it a few seconds and boom, clean result, exactly what we needed. Now go back to Gemini, copy your second image prompt, come back to JXP, paste your prompt in, keep all the settings exactly the same, 4K, high quality, and hit generate. And just look at that. The detail on the character is spot on. Really clean output. Now I've already gone ahead and generated all the remaining images the same way to save us some time, and they all came out really well. Consistent style across every single one, which is exactly what you need for a full video like this. Now here's something really useful. JXP also gives you an image editing option right inside the tool. So if you want to make any changes to your images, you don't need to go anywhere else. Click on the edit option, upload the image you want to change, then type in a prompt describing exactly what changes you want made. Leave the aspect ratio on auto detect, set resolution to 4K and quality to high, then hit generate. And just like that, the changes are applied cleanly, exactly as you described. Honestly, JXP is one of the cleanest all-in-one tools I've used for this kind of content. Images, videos, talking avatars, all in one place. Go check it out, link is in the description and pinned comment below. Alright, now that all our images are ready, let's move on to the animation step. For the animation step, we're going to be using Google Vids, and this method is completely free with no watermarks. Open a new browser tab and search for Google Vids. Click on the first official result. I'll also drop the direct link in the description to save you time. Sign in with your Google or Gmail account. Once you're signed in, a pop-up will load showing all the available features. Quick note, Google Vids might not be available in every region just yet. If it's not accessible in your area, just use a reliable VPN and you'll be good to go. From the pop-up, click on the VO 3.1 option. This opens the main generation interface. Now, since we already have our images ready, select the Animate an Image option. Click to upload your first image directly from your device. Set your aspect ratio. I'm going with Portrait for shorts. Then type a simple but effective animation prompt. Something like, animate this naturally with smooth motion works perfectly. Hit generate. Google Vids will process it and render your animated clip in seconds. Once it's ready, drag it down onto the timeline at the bottom of the workspace. The quality and motion you get here is seriously impressive, and again, completely free. Now just repeat this exact process for every image you generated. Upload the next image, paste the matching animation prompt from Gemini, set your aspect ratio, and hit generate. Keep going until all your clips are done. One thing to keep in mind, you get around 10 to 12 free video generations per day. If you need more, simply log in with additional Gmail accounts and you can scale up as much as you need. Once all your clips are ready, download them and save everything in one folder. For the final part of this video, I'll show you how to put everything together using CapCut. Once you open CapCut, import all the video clips you just generated. Once they're imported, drag them into the timeline in the same order you generated them so everything stays aligned with your storyline. Play through the video to make sure everything is in sync. Then add a background sound. I'm going with this particular track, but you can use any free-to-use song in CapCut. Once you've picked your sound, drag it into the timeline, trim any extra parts, and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now, select all your videos, right-click and choose Separate Audio, then click Vocals. It'll process the clip and separate the voice from the background. Lower the background a bit so everything sounds clean and clear. This is just an extra tip, totally optional. Scale your video slightly so it fits the frame perfectly. Then go ahead and add transitions between each scene one at a time. After that, add auto captions. Click on text, then select auto captions. It'll take a moment to process and your captions will appear automatically. Head over to templates and pick a text style you like. Play through one more time to make sure everything looks good, then click export. And that's it. Your final result should look something like this.
How could you do this to me? After everything we've been through, you just throw it all away! I can't believe you!
I can't take this anymore! Get out of my sight! Are you crazy? You just smashed it!